Namaste. Last week we discussed about outer negative vibrations. The inner negative vibrations are more dangerous and harmful. The creator of inner negative vibrations is your inner critic. When it is the little voice that stops your unwanted behavior, it is really helpful. But when it is constantly criticizing you and others, it is harmful. It creates stress inside you and it reduces your peace of mind. The inner critic or negative self-talk is never constructive or helpful. It is the voice that judges you, that blames you, always telling you you are not good enough. It never encourages you or motivates you. Imagine a little kid learning to walk. If you scream at the child and calls him useless every time he falls down, you are creating huge negative impact on him. You should encourage him at his every step with enthusiasm. Then only it will create a positive impact on him. You should do the same while you are trying new things in your life. Your inner critic is always have unrealistic expectation from you and others. It will imagine the worst out of every situation. It convinces you of its inevitability, usually not backed up with the real facts. When it is at work, it magnifies all the negative things and filter out all the positive things. It uses the terms like never, no one, and always negatively. I always encounter some misfortunes. I will never succeed. No one loves or cares about me. Like this, it will go on telling the things. Everything you say to yourself matters a lot. When your inner critic consistently label you in negative way, it will greatly affect your self-confidence. If you let it long enough, it will lead to serious mental health problems like depression and anxiety disorders. You would never call your dearest friend a failure or an idiot or a loser. But why do you call yourself in negative terms? Tame your inner critic. Make it as your best friend and choose to focus on the positive things in your efforts. Whenever you are self-critical, notice it and change it. Replace it with appreciation and encouragement. Instead of blaming yourself, learn to laugh at your own mistakes. When it ceases to be a serious matter, everything will become a positive thing. So do that. You can use meditation, yoga, reading inspirational books and hearing motivational speeches to reduce the inner vibrations. By helping others also, you can take the negative energy and make it into a positive action. It will boost up your self-image. Your inner critic may constantly criticize other people also. While judging others, remember your weaknesses. Tell yourself just like me, only in different area. That is the truth. Try to remember their positive traits. Everyone is different. All cannot see in your way and act in your way. How the world would be boring if everyone is like you. If their behavior is improper and annoying, think that they may have some hidden psychological defect. Or the reason may be their upbringing. Feel pity for them and understand that all have their own weaknesses. This kind of empathetic thoughts can reduce the negative inner vibrations, and it will help you to accept the people as they are and silence your inner critic. With practice, you can control your inner critic, reduce your negative inner vibrations, and maintain your peace of mind. We shall look into more about the peace of mind next Wednesday. Thank you.